In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Golf key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a CR1632 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't know where to get these batteries, go check out the first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, opening this thing up, it's really easy. Just flip out the internal key. And then, actually, that's not necessary for this part. For the next part, you want to just actually look here on the back where there's this indentation. And with your flathead screwdriver, you go in, hold firmly, and just twist a little bit. As soon as it starts to open up, you want to just pull it apart, wiggle it apart with your fingers. There we go. And this bottom piece is where we will be working. So come over here. Go ahead with your flathead screwdriver, go in this opening where the key just was, and you just want to pry a little bit, which will open up this part of the device. Now, the battery, for you, the battery might not come flying out. You can actually use either a CR1632 battery or two 1620s stacked on top of each other. For this video, we'll be using the 1632. So you either just dump it out if it's the 32, or if it's the two batteries, it's probably going to be in there a little bit tighter. You just want to lift them up with the corner of your flathead screwdriver. And when you're putting your batteries in, make sure that the positive side is facing down. You'll just set that right on top of that metal component there. And if you have two batteries, you'll just set one on top of the other, both of them positive side down. And now all we need to do is put this back together. So go ahead and set this on there, squeeze, and now you can slide these two back together. And once you have it in there, you want to really give it a good squeeze so that it snaps back into place. And with that, you are good to go, and you have a new battery in there that should last you for a long time. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to give this video a like or let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with another video just like this one. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.